city has a park in the shape of right angle triangle. The length of the longest side of park or the hypotenuse is the longest length in a right angle triangle is given as 24 units. The mayor of the city wants to construct 3 paths from the corner point opposite to the longest side. So there are 3 paths to be constructed from the corner point or the point opposite to the hypotenuse, where the 2 perpendicular lengths meet. To the longest side, 3 paths are constructed such that these 3 paths divide the longest side in 4 equal segments. Determine the sum of square of length of these 3 paths. First of all, let's just make the diagram. So a right angle triangle is there, because it is given that triangle is in the shape of a right angle triangle. Park is in the shape of this right angle triangle, right? Now the 3 paths have to be constructed. Now the 3 paths to be constructed from this length is given as 24. So 3 paths are constructed such that they divide the opposite side or the hypotenuse in 4 equal paths. So one path is this, second path is the median of this triangle, and third path will be the median of this triangle. Right? Now I am this is the point A. I am naming these points. So this is point B, C. This is D, E, and F. So it is given that this is a park which is in shape of a right angle triangle. The length of the longest side of this park is 24, and these 3 paths are constructed such that these 3 parts divide the longest side in equal parts. So I can say this part would be 6, this would be 6, this would be 6, and this would be 6, because this whole length is given as 24 units, right? Now I have to find the sum of squares of length of these 3 parts, which is BF square plus BD square plus BE square. So I am assuming these lengths as A, B, and C, and I am assuming these 2 perpendicular lengths as X and Y. Right? So first of all, these X, Y, and 24s, these are the side of this right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can say the sum of squares of these 2 sides, X square plus Y square, must be equal to 24 square, which is 576. Right? Using Pythagoras theorem. Now, using Apollonius theorem, I can find the length of median of a triangle. So for this triangle BDC, BF is median because this point F is dividing this base CD in 2 parts. So using Apollonius theorem, the length of this median would be given as B square plus Y square. That is, the sum of squares of these 2 adjacent sides is equal to 2 times of median square, that is A square, plus half of the other length, the square of the half of the length of the side at which this median is formed. So it is DC or CD by 2 whole square. This is the Apollonius theorem. For the length of median is given by this relation. Now, also in this triangle BEF, this is for the triangle in triangle BCD. This is for the triangle BCD. Now, using Apollonius theorem in triangle BEF, so sum of squares of these 2 adjacent sides, which is A square plus C square, is equal to 2 times of B square plus EF by 2 whole square. right? And similarly in triangle BAD, BAD, the length of these two is x square, sum of lengths of adjacent side b square plus x square is equal to 2 times c square plus AD by 2 whole square, right? So these are the relations. Now I know the value of CD is 12, so 12 by 2 is 6 and it is 6 square. So these three relations are there. Also one relation is that x square plus y square is given as 576. So let's just add these three. Let's just add these three equations. What would I get? X square plus y square plus a square, this is a, plus b square, so 2 times b square plus c square is equal to, if I take 2 common, I get this is a square plus b square plus c square plus, I know CD is equal to 12 and CD by 2 is 6 square is 36. So this is 36. EF is also 12. So 12 by 2 is 6 square is 36. This is 36 here, this is 36 here, and it is also 36 here. So 36 into 3 is 108, right? So if I replace x square plus y square as 576, it becomes 576, right? And if I take a square, b square and c square to this side, I get 2a square minus a square. So I am getting a square. 2b square minus 2b square, 0. So 2c square minus c square is plus c square, right? So this is a square plus c square, and this constant term here is 2 into 108, that is 216, and if I take 216 to this side, I get the value of sum of a square plus c square as 576 minus 216. So from here I get a square plus c square as 360, right? But I have to find the sum of squares of length of these parts. I have to find a square plus b square plus c square, and I get a square plus c square as 360. So I need to know the value of this b square, right? So in let's just take this triangle ABC. I know BD is the median. BD is the median of this triangle ABC. So I am making this triangle separately. So this is right angle triangle, and this is the median. This D, B, A and C. This BD is the median of this triangle ABC, right? So this is hypotenuse AC and it is the midpoint. And for a right angle triangle, I know the midpoint of hypotenuse is the center of circumcenter of this triangle, right? So it is a right angle triangle, and the midpoint of hypotenuse is circumcenter of this triangle. If it is center of the circumcenter, I can say this AD will be the radius, also this CD will be the radius. Similarly, BD would also be a radius of this circle, because it's a circumcircle, so it has to pass through A, B and C, right? So these lengths will be radius, radius and radius. And I know the length of AD. Length of AD is 12 units. So the length of this BD, which I have assumed is B units, must be equal to 12. So I get the value of B as 12 units. So B square would be 144, and the length of squares of sum of squares of these three would be 360 plus 144, which is equal to 504. So the correct answer to this question is 504 units.